Prompt to Profit. I'm really excited to have you guys here because this course is going to change how you approach content, digital marketing, and making money online with AI. If you've ever struggled with creating content, building an audience, or selling digital products, don't worry, you're in the right place. This course is going to walk you through the exact steps to make this process simple, efficient, and scalable using ChatGPT. The course exists because I know how frustrating it can be to feel stuck in your content, your marketing, or your business. Most people struggle because they just don't know their audience or how to create content that connects with them. They spend way too much time trying to come up with ideas, write posts, or build products, and they aren't using AI effectively to speed up the process. When I figured out how to use ChatGPT the right way, I saw a massive difference. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you inside this course. Here's what you'll learn inside: how to define and understand your audience so that your messaging connects, how to create engaging content quickly and efficiently without getting stuck, how to use AI to streamline your marketing and sales processes so you can grow faster, how to create and sell profitable digital products step by step. This isn't just theory. Everything in this course is designed to be practical, actionable, and easy to apply. So here's how you're going to get the most out of this course. I recommend you go at your own pace, but make sure to implement what you learn as you go. Use the provided prompts and templates in part 2 and 3 of the course. They're designed to make your life easier. And then practice, practice, practice. The more you use ChatGPT, the better you're going to get at it. The goal here isn't to just watch the lessons, it's to take action and see real results from what you're learning. All right, so where do you start? Well, if you don't have a ChatGPT account yet, go ahead and start with lesson 1, account creation, and I'll walk you through how to set everything up. If you already have an account, then go ahead and jump to the ChatGPT models lesson, where I'll break down the different versions and help you choose the one that fits your needs. Pick the lesson that makes sense for you, and let's get started.